What's going on in the shed today? Let's go have a look. Someone, who will remain nameless, has this nasty habit of leaving his chuck key in the chuck. And if I don't leave it there, I might have to go looking for it. It could be down here, or it could be here, or I could drop it down here, or maybe even over here. I spend half my time looking for this dopey chuck key. Is it the chuck key that's dopey? I'm wondering. I've even been known to leave it here. Well, I guess it's designed to just sit there, but even there is a bit camouflaged. So, I've worked out a solution. I've bought this little magnet from Bunnings for a couple of dollars, and I reckon this will be good as a base for a chuck key holder. Yep, sits nice and firm. So it's over to my pieces of aluminium and steel, and I've got a piece of aluminium pipe here. I reckon that might just do the job. Let's have a look. Get that chuck key, poke it in the hole. Yeah, look, it's not an exact fit or anything, but it'd be fine. Sits there okay. So I think I might use that. So it's a simple matter of just cutting a little piece of that aluminium off. That'll be the holder for the chuck key. I'll need a base for that bit of aluminium tubing so that I can bolt it onto my magnet. So into my scrap drawer, and yeah, that bit should do the jobby. So it's just a simple matter of tracing around that and cutting it out. The bandsaw leaves a bit of a rough cut, so just a bit of a smoothing out on the sander does the trick. No, it's not going to fit that way, you dope. Right, that's better. All that's left now is to stick those two pieces together. So a bit of preparation for welding is always necessary. So tubing goes on top of the little plate, sort of in the middle. That looks alright. Use my little scrap of offcut to sit it on the top, and use my third hand to hold it all nice and steady while I tack the weld. I'm using 3mm aluminium and I reckon about 110 amps should do the job. The first tack always takes a fair while because you're heating up the material and getting it just at the right temperature to get that tack to stick. I guess it's almost redundant to say that I'm just a hobby welder, but I get the two bits to stick together and that's the important thing. It's probably no surprise to learn that welding heats up stuff, and my delicate little fingers have been burnt on so many occasions. This time I remembered to cool it down before I touched it. Now it's time for assembly. Well, that didn't take very long. Now it's time to try it out. Sits nicely. That's not going to fall over on its own. Find the chuck key, put it in its home, and hopefully remember to put it there every time I use it from now on.